Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I decided to use two bright colors. That's a purple and an orange shade. And the reason for that is because spring is already here and I wanted some colors that could celebrate springtime and as well as Easter. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to learn how I created this look, please keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and begin by applying some Olay moisturizer, and this moisturizer does include some broad spectrum SPF. Now the first thing I'm going to be taking is my Milani primer. I'm just going to be applying that and just spreading it all over my eyelid with my finger. Moving into our first palette, I'm going to be taking the Morphe 350 Nature Glow palette, and I'm going to be grabbing a light brown, and that's going to be used as my first base. Now moving on to my transition color, and I'm going to be applying this all over my crease. Is this orangey color, and we're just going to apply that with a blending brush and then just blend it all out around the outer crease and as well as the inner crease. Alright, so now that we have applied our transition shade, we're going to be moving on with this dark orange. And this orange color is only going to be staying on our crease. So we're just going to get a blending brush and then just make sure that you blend that all out. Now from the same Morphe palette, I'm going to be grabbing this dark brown, and I'm going to be applying it only on my outer crease. Alright, so now moving on to our cut crease, I'm going to be taking Maybelline's concealer, and I'm going to be applying that with a small angled brush. Now I'm going to be taking this nude shade to set my concealer. Alright, so now for the lid, I'm going to be taking my liquid eyeshadow from Stila, and that's in color Violet Vixen, and we're going to be applying that right on top of our concealer. Alright, so now I'm going to be grabbing my NYX liquid liner, and I'm going to go ahead and create a wing line. Now I'm going to be taking this bright orange, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my lower lash line, and you just want to blend it all out. Alright, so now moving on to foundation, I'm going to go ahead and apply CoverGirl's Healthy Elixir Foundation, and I use it in color 755. Now moving on to my favorite part, I'm going to be using CoverGirl's concealer, and I'm going to apply it all over my under eyes. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be grabbing MAC's Blunt Color. Alright, so now to set my concealer, I'm going to be taking my rice powder and applying it right on top of my concealer, and I'm also going to use it to carve out my cheeks. Alright, so while that powder sits in, I'm going to be applying black eyeliner to my waterline, and I'm also going to be applying some mascara. Alright, so now after the few minutes, we're gonna go ahead and dust this powder off. Now for blush, I'm going to be grabbing MAC's Copper Tone, and I'm going to be applying it to my cheekbones. Alright, so now for my highlight, I'm going to be taking my Naked Urban Decay Flush Palette, and I'm going to be using a fan brush to apply this highlight. For the lips, I went ahead and used my Ulta Lip Crayon in color American Girl. I hope you guys enjoyed this fast and simple look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.